Welcome to Your Love Mystic, Catherine here. Previously studied and taught philosophy and religion at universities, studied yoga, Ayurveda, and Vedanta for over 2 decades. Now I help people transform their being so they can align with their deep heart's desires and move toward their destiny. In today's video, I'm going to share a powerful sound meditation that uses our very own voice. Now, many of us are familiar with stringed instruments, whether it's the veena or the violin or the guitar, and we know that sound is produced by the vibration of the strings. And before we play a string instrument, we have to make sure that we tune it properly so it creates the right pitch, so the sound coming from the instrument can be in harmony with other instruments or create a beautiful melody for us to listen to. Today, I want to invite you to think about your human body and energetic field as an instrument. And like a string instrument, we also need to tune our instrument so that we can be more in harmony with the world. So before the guided meditation, I want to introduce you to these powerful seed syllables. We'll begin and end with Om, and in between there's 6 syllables, and they align with the different energy centers of our energetic being. So first we have Lam, and Lam activates our root chakra that's connected to the earth. And then second, we have Vam, V-A-M, Vam, activates our creative energy that's actually a part of every cell of our being. And then third, we have Ram, almost like the roar of a lion and coming from our power center, our solar plexus, the 3rd chakra. And then we have the sweet syllable Yum. How many of you, when you're served your favorite meal and you've had that first bite, you're like, yum? And then 5th, we have the seed syllable for the throat chakra, Hum. There's a beautiful word in English, hallelujah. And we sing praises to the cosmos, to divinity. It's such a beautiful word. And that word, along with this seed syllable, Hum, activates our throat chakra. And then we have Sum, and Sum activates our higher wisdom, our 6th chakra, and our essence, our self. And then finally we have Om, again connecting us with unity. Now, all of these syllables come from Sanskrit, which is considered the language of vibration. And that's why they're so powerful in raising our vibration and clearing our energetic field very quickly. So I invite you to join me in this powerful guided sound meditation. I will invite you to close your eyes if that resonates, but if you need to follow along the different seed syllables by looking at the screen, that is perfectly fine. You can close your eyes in the beginning as we do a short grounding meditation when we begin, and then open them when we begin the seed syllables. You can also just listen to the sounds. This will also help clear your energetic field. So because we're going to be producing sound, I invite you to choose a sitting position today that's comfortable for you. You can be sitting on a mat or a rug or even in a chair. When you've found that seated position, go ahead and get comfortable. I invite you to close your eyes and bringing your awareness to your sit bones, grounding into the earth, or your feet grounding into the earth. And imagining a red laser beam shooting down into the crystalline core of the earth, anchoring you into our one Mother Earth. Feeling her bounty, feeling her sustain you. Bringing your awareness to your breath. We'll take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth through pursed lips. So begin, inhale, exhale. And again, inhale, exhale. And one more time, inhale, exhale. Feeling yourself ground into the earth through that last exhale. And now lengthening the spine, feeling the crown of the head point toward the sky, connecting you with your unique soul star. And bringing awareness to your body if you're leaning forward or leaning back, and just bringing your torso to center, helping you come fully into the present moment. Declaring yourself here, I am here. Continuing to take more deep breaths if needed. You can inhale and exhale through the nose now if that resonates with you. And just feeling the breath flow in and out of your body, expanding your being, expanding your awareness beyond this material bodysuit. So now we will chant the seed syllables, beginning and ending with Om. And we will chant each sound for the count of 3. Chant these seed syllables organically in a way that resonates with your being. You're tuning your own human instrument. So after an exhale, Om, Lam, Vam, Ra, Yam, Ham, Sam, Om, Om, Sam, Ham, Yam, Ram, Vam, Lam, Om. Just allowing the vibrations, the energy to flow through your entire being, feeling the expansion and the vibration. Bringing awareness to the breath if the mind wanders. Feeling the vibrations, the tip of your toes, the tip of your fingers, flowing through your entire being. And bringing your palms together to prayer gesture, feeling the edges of the wrist gently press into the heart center. Fusing with your deep heart wisdom, raising your vibration even more, and feeling this energy flow through you, down into the earth, nourishing the earth, up through the crown of your head, nourishing the heavens, out through the heart, extending love to all beings through all nations, throughout the world, throughout the earth. Feeling the expansiveness of your energy, how powerful you are. And you can send a special prayer into the cosmos, aligned with this higher vibration. And just taking another moment to fuse with this feeling, this energy. And again, bringing your awareness to your touch point to the earth, your sit bones or your feet. Feeling yourself centered, crown of your head pointing toward the sky, your unique soul star. Feeling a connection with your deep heart wisdom. And then calling yourself into the present moment, to this 3D reality, even by name, out loud in your mind. I am here. I, Catherine, am here. I am here now. Continuing to come back into your natural breath as you ground back fully into the earth, our life here. And when you're ready, gently opening the eyes. Remembering that at any point in your day, you can bring the hands into prayer gesture, chant one Om, bringing back this feeling, or chant all the seed syllables if you have time. And when we do this, when we raise our vibration, when we clear our energetic field, we're able to emit our highest light and love to all beings, help heal the world. That's how powerful you are. So I invite you, if you're interested in learning more about raising your vibration through sound, that there are a couple videos you can click on. To learn more of Sanskrit sounds that help raise your vibration, or also invite you to click on the video that's an interview with musical duo artists in a yacht, where they describe their behind the scenes process of creating high vibration popular music. It's a very beautiful story, so don't miss it. All my love. Om. Peace.